Hey, my couponing friends! If you still need back to school supplies, I found some really good online deals that are valid during the August 2nd through August 8th sale week. Let's start at Target because you can build a whole basic school supply haul for just a few dollars. The Mondo Llama 24 count crayons are only 25 cents. And the Up and Up 2-pack of purple glue sticks is also just 25 cents. Wide-ruled spiral notebooks are 35 cents, and the deal-worthy composition books are only 39 cents each. So this is definitely the time to stock up if your child needs multiple notebooks for different classes. The Mondo Llama washable markers are just 50 cents. And Elmer's 4-ounce school glue is also 50 cents. You can also grab the Elmer's 2-pack of disappearing purple glue sticks for 50 cents. Target also has plastic folders with prongs for only 50 cents each. Crayola broadline markers for 99 cents. And Crayola pre-sharpened colored pencils for 99 cents. One of each of those 10 Target deals comes to around $5.22 before tax. That's a really affordable basic supply haul. Now, here are a few more online picks. Walmart has Pen+Gear school supply kits for elementary students and grades 6 through 12 for around $9.98. These are great if you don't feel like shopping for every item separately. Sam's Club has a 42-piece Sharpie back-to-school bundle for around $9.47. Staples has a 6-pack of spiral notebooks for around $7.79. And Walmart has a huge 120-count Crayola crayon box for around $9.97. And if you need school technology, check the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook at Best Buy or the upgraded HP Chromebook Plus at Staples. Remember, online prices, colors, pickup availability, and shipping requirements can vary by location, so double-check everything before placing your order. Follow Blowin coupons for more back-to-school deals, and send this video to somebody who still has school shopping to do.